Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Yumi, start the clock.
Thanks, Sophie. Monday, everyone returned to school for a special week, where classes got to pick their own Virtue of the Week. Our prep classes chose to exercise their kindness and peacefulness towards both friends and teachers. Tuesday, grades 1 and 2 continued showing, among other virtues, respect and peacefulness towards each other throughout the day, looking to continue showing these virtues over the course of the week. Wednesday, orderliness and peacefulness were a couple of the chosen virtues being shown in and out of the classroom across grades 3 and 4. Thursday, a variety of virtues are chosen and shown by grade 5s and 6, including trustworthiness with our senior students working hard as role models for others across the school. Friday, the whole school was filled with a range of items and costumes as staff and students enthusiastically celebrated Virtue Superhero Day, ending this special week on a high note. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next time.